A winter storm slamming the Northeast. It is burying neighborhoods in snow across several states.
I'm sick of it. I don't want to see no more snow, especially here in the Jersey Shore. We're waiting for the summer to come in.
People trying to dig out of the snow but can't keep up with how fast it's falling. Many places getting at least 2 feet of snow, if not more. And the winter storm impacting flights across the country and South Florida. Thousands of delays and cancellations has passengers stranded. Good afternoon, I'm Naja Sherman. When you look at these two views, complete polar opposites between the southeast and the northeast of the U.S. The northeast getting a blast of winter weather, but here at home, we got a blast of cold air, but it is not even close to what millions of people are dealing with. CBS News Miami's Jared Hill is in New York with a look at conditions there.
Heavy snow is blanketing the East Coast, bringing busy cities to a halt.
I'm sick of it. I don't want to see no more snow.
More than 40 million Americans woke up to blizzard warnings as the powerful nor'easter pushed through.
There's a lot of snow, and we've been kind of cooped up for a day or two, and I needed to get out.
In New York City, a rare travel ban put into effect, leaving some folks getting around on skis.
It was beautiful. I saw lots of other skiers, lots of people playing in the park.
The city's mayor, on a tour of the Department of Sanitation, said more than 500 emergency shovelers had done a first pass on 1,500 crosswalks, with the blizzard still in full effect.
We are going to do everything in our power to make sure we're getting our city back up and running.
New York City hasn't seen a snowstorm like this in about a decade. Some parts of the area are expecting upwards of 2 feet of snow to fall. Add on top of that the incredibly strong winds, and we are seeing some true whiteout conditions. On Long Island, the storm was too dangerous even for snowplows. This one flipped on its side. In Atlantic City, New Jersey, the winter weather covered the beach in a sea of white. Just off the shoreline, dangerous conditions shut down businesses at this normally bustling promenade.
Usually even in the winter, we got people coming through, taking walks on the boardwalk, so this is weird that it's kind of like a ghost town.
Air travel is also at a near standstill at many airports in the Northeast. More than 10,000 flights have been grounded since Sunday, with even more delays and cancellations expected today. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.